Yo, what's up everybody? It's Explore Epic. Welcome to Explore Epic, your ultimate guide to saving money while traveling. Listen, we all know the feeling, that itch, that deep desire to just get out there and see the world, right? But then reality hits. Plane tickets, hotels, food, it all adds up so fast, it can be pretty disheartening to see that budget number skyrocket. But hold up, don't hit that cancel button just yet. We're about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on you, some insider secrets, some straight-up travel hacks that'll have you exploring the world without totally bankrupting yourself. Stick around, because this is going to be good. First things first, let's talk about where you're going to rest your weary head after a long day of exploring. Hotels are nice and all, don't get me wrong, but they can drain your funds faster than you can say room service. So, what's the alternative? Hostels, my friend. Hostels are like the ultimate budget traveler's secret weapon. Not only are they easy on the wallet, but they're also amazing places to meet fellow adventurers from all corners of the globe. You'll swap stories, share travel tips, maybe even make some lifelong friends along the way. It's all part of the experience, you know? And hey, if hostels aren't your thing, no worries. We've got more tricks up our sleeve. Ever heard of Airbnb? It's like renting a room or an entire apartment directly from a local. You get a more authentic experience, often at a fraction of the cost of a hotel. Plus, you might even get some insider tips from your host on the best local spots to check out. And for the ultimate budget hack, consider house sitting. Seriously, it's a thing. People are always looking for responsible travelers to watch over their homes and furry friends while they're away. Free accommodation. Can't beat that. All right, we've got a roof over our heads. Now let's talk about getting around. Forget about those overpriced taxis. We're about to become public transportation masters. Hop on those buses, trains, subways, whatever the local flavor is. It's the most cost-effective way to navigate a new city. Plus, you get a real sense of the local vibe. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, why not walk? It's free, it's good exercise, and you never know what hidden gems you might stumble upon when you ditch the wheels and explore on foot. Now I get it. Sometimes public transport isn't an option, or maybe you're in a rush. That's where ride-sharing apps come in. They're generally cheaper than taxis, and they can be a lifesaver when you're in a pinch. Just make sure you do a quick comparison of the different apps available in your destination, as prices can vary. Remember, every penny saved is another penny you can spend on an epic experience. Okay, let's talk about food. Because let's face it, no adventure is complete without indulging in some delicious local cuisine. But hold up, before you go splurging on fancy restaurants every night, let me introduce you to the world of street food. Trust me, this is where the real culinary magic happens. From sizzling skewers to steaming bowls of noodles, street food is a feast for the senses and a budget traveler's dream come true. It's authentic, it's flavorful, and it won't break the bank. And hey, if you're feeling a little homesick or just want to save even more, hit up the local markets. Stock up on fresh produce, bread, cheese, whatever tickles your fancy, and have yourself a little picnic in the park. It's a great way to soak up the local atmosphere and save some serious cash at the same time. And for the ultimate budget hack, channel your inner chef and cook your own meals whenever possible. Hostels and Airbnbs often have kitchens you can use, so whip up some simple dishes and enjoy the satisfaction of eating on your own terms. Chapter 4. Travel Rewards, your ticket to free flights and more. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite travel topic, free stuff. Or at least, as close to free as we can get. I'm talking about travel rewards and points, people. This is next-level travel hacking, and it can save you a serious chunk of change if you play your cards right. Sign up for those airline loyalty programs, rack up those miles every time you fly, and before you know it, you'll be jet-setting around the world on a free ticket. Don't forget about credit card rewards programs either. Many offer points that can be redeemed for travel expenses, so do your research and find the card that aligns with your travel goals. And hey, pro tip, use a travel rewards tracking app to keep all your points and miles organized. It's a game changer, trust me. Chapter 5. The early bird catches the worm, booking flights in advance. All right, let's talk flights. We all know that finding affordable airfare can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. But fear not, my friends. There are strategies you can use to increase your chances of snagging those sweet, sweet deals. First and foremost, book in advance whenever possible. Airlines often release their cheapest fares months ahead of time, so the earlier you book, the better your chances of getting a good price. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Casey, I'm spontaneous. I don't like to plan that far ahead, and I get it, I really do. But trust me, even setting a loose itinerary and booking your flights a few months out can save you a significant amount of money. Plus, it gives you something to look forward to, right? Chapter 6. Embrace the off-season, tranquility, and savings await. All right, let's talk about timing. When it comes to travel, timing is everything, especially if you're trying to save money. Peak season might seem like the most appealing time to visit a destination, but let me let you in on a little secret. It's also the most expensive. Everyone and their mother is trying to travel during peak season, which means airlines jack up their prices, hotels are booked solid, and you'll be fighting crowds everywhere you go. So, what's the solution? Embrace the off-season, my friend. Traveling during the shoulder seasons or even the off-season can save you a ton of money and offer a more authentic experience. Think about it. Fewer crowds, shorter lines, and more opportunities to connect with the local culture. Plus, you'll have those epic Instagram shots all to yourself. All right, let's talk about staying connected while you're on the road. In today's hyper-connected world, it's almost impossible to imagine traveling without access to the internet. But hold up, before you rack up a massive phone bill with international roaming charges, let me introduce you to your new best friend, the local SIM card. Seriously, this is a game changer. When you arrive at your destination, head to a local mobile phone shop and pick up a prepaid SIM card with a data plan that suits your needs. It's incredibly affordable, and it'll give you the freedom to navigate, translate languages, and share your adventures online without worrying about those dreaded roaming fees. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. All right, let's talk about how to have an epic time without spending an epic amount of money. Because, let's face it, travel isn't just about ticking off bucket list destinations. It's about immersing yourself in new cultures, embracing new experiences, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. And the best part is, you don't need to break the bank to do it. Some of the most unforgettable travel experiences are completely free. Lace up your hiking boots and hit the trails. Explore a new city on foot with a free walking tour, or simply find a quiet spot in a local park and soak up the atmosphere. It's amazing what you can discover when you slow down, open your mind, and embrace the simple pleasures of exploration. All right, let's talk about packing. Because let's face it, nobody wants to lug around a heavy suitcase or pay exorbitant baggage fees. Packing light is an art form, my friends, and it's a skill that will serve you well on your travels. Before you even think about throwing things into your suitcase, lay out everything you think you need, and then ruthlessly edit it down. Do you really need 5 pairs of shoes for a weekend trip? Probably not. Choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched, pack travel-sized toiletries, and remember, you can always wash your clothes on the go. Trust me, packing light will make your travels so much smoother and stress-free. Plus, you'll have more room in your suitcase for souvenirs, right? All right, let's talk about travel insurance. I know it's not the most glamorous aspect of travel planning, but trust me, it's essential. Nobody wants to think about the what-ifs, but the reality is, unexpected things can and do happen on the road. From lost luggage to medical emergencies, travel insurance is there to protect you and provide peace of mind. Now, I'm not saying you need to go overboard and insure every single item you own, but having a basic policy that covers medical expenses, trip cancellations, and lost or stolen belongings is crucial. It's better to be safe than sorry, right? Shop around, compare different policies, and find one that suits your budget and travel style. Trust me, having travel insurance is like having a safety net for your adventures. There you have it, my friends. 10 insider tips and tricks to help you save money while traveling and make the most of your adventures. Remember, traveling doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning, creativity, and a thirst for exploration, you can experience the world without emptying your wallet. Now get out there, chase those dreams, and make some unforgettable memories. Safe travels. Adventure awaits. Thank you for watching your channel name. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and tricks. Safe travels.